Learn English with your Instill.
Hi Sarah, it's nice to meet you.
Hi Aram, it's nice to meet you too.
I hope you're feeling comfortable.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
First meetings can feel a little nervous.
Yes, but this feels easy.
That's good to hear.
It really is.
How was your day today?
It was good, and now even better.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Do you believe first impressions matter?
Yes, they do.
What was your first impression of me?
You seem calm and respectful.
Thank you, that means a lot.
You're welcome.
Do you enjoy meaningful conversations?
Yes, I prefer them.
I feel the same.
That's nice.
What qualities do you value in a partner?
Honesty, kindness, and patience.
Those are beautiful qualities.
Thank you.
Do you think love should grow slowly?
Yes, slow love feels real.
I agree with that.
We share the same feelings.
What makes you feel comfortable with someone?
Respect and good communication.
Communication is very important.
Yes, it builds trust.
Do you believe trust takes time?
Yes, but it's worth it.
I like that thought.
I'm glad.
Do small gestures matter to you?
Yes, they touch the heart.
Like listening carefully?
Exactly.
I enjoy listening to you.
I enjoy being heard.
Do you imagine growing together with someone?
Yes, growing side by side.
That sounds beautiful.
It really does.
What makes a relationship strong?
Understanding and effort.
I believe the same.
Again, same feeling. Thank you.
Do you feel comfortable talking to me?
Yes, I do.
That makes me happy.
It makes me smile.
Do you believe peace is important in love?
Yes, love should feel calm.
I feel calm talking to you.
I feel that too.
Do you value emotional support?
Yes, very much.
I think support makes love stronger.
I agree.
Would you like to continue knowing each other?
Yes, slowly and sincerely.
I'm really glad we talked today.
Me too. It feels special.
Is this your first day at the office?
Yes, today is my first day.
How do you feel on your first day?
I feel a little nervous, but also excited.
What time did you reach the office today?
I reached the office 10 minutes early.
What did you do after entering the office?
I greeted the receptionist and waited.
Did someone guide you to your desk?
Yes, a colleague showed me my desk.
Did you meet your manager today?
Yes, I met my manager in the morning.
What did your manager say to you?
She welcomed me and explained my role.
Did you understand your work clearly?
Yes, most of the work was clear.
What did you do first after getting work?
I checked emails and notes.
Did you feel confused at any time?
Yes, at first I felt a little confused.
What did you do when you felt confused?
I asked my colleague for help.
Did your colleague help you?
Yes, they helped me patiently.
Did you attend any meeting today?
Yes, I attended a short meeting.
Did you speak in the meeting?
I only introduced myself.
How did the meeting go?
It went well and was simple.
What did you do during lunchtime?
I had lunch with my team.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.